Hello guys, it is me, minedu 10 in real life. Probably my first in real life video, but in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can access the internet browser on the Nintendo Switch. It can be OLED, it can be the Nintendo Switch 1 or 2, but this is how you do it. So basically, you go to your internet settings, this is my internet, go to change settings, go down to DNS setting, put it on manual, and for the primary DNS you need to put in this code kinda. Once that is put in, go ahead and leave it like that, press save, and then connect to the network. Confirm, click next. It says that registration is required, like if you need to go to a website and click, but nope, right here they changed it. Well, that's cool. It's probably because the Switch 2 is out, because this also works on the Switch 2. So I'm guessing you just click CSE Google, enter website or full URL. You can do a lot of things, but with a few taps you can just access simple Google. Oh, please don't close. Yeah, they changed it. So yeah, now we can look up anything you want on the Switch browser. Although considering how long it takes, you might as well just look it up on your phone. Like if you're trying to look up how to do something for a game, yeah, you'd rather just do it on your phone. See? So you actually can't watch videos in the browser, last I checked. But that's just, yeah. Also, it is very slow and buggy, so I would not recommend using this thing. But that is how you do it. If you guys found this video useful, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube. And I'll see you guys in a different video where I actually do gaming. Unless you want to see how to do it on a PS5. Yee!